Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Station 2 Main Road. Oh, malika pa ngayon. Today is a beautiful day, sunny day. We will check the transformer there at the front of Blacktown in McDonald's. Oh, beautiful day, sunny day. Naglilimas na guys yung transformer, naglilimas na ng tubig. Kasi yung pipe is ready to install. Kaya rin ito yung harapan ng Blacktown at McDonald's. Yung katabi niyan, di mall. Ayan po, pinagawa ko na. May maglalagay sila ng ng malaking pipe for the drainage system. Ayan, limas pa more. Limas pa si transformer. Ayan guys, nilimas yung tubig. Pa-install na sila ng big black pipe for the drainage. Abutin niya ng siyam-siyam guys pag limas siguro, no? Dapat may ano na lang sila yung hose. Ipapump, no? Diba guys? Sipag-sipag ng transformer. Wow, it's sunny day. I'm so happy guys. It's sunny day now. Ang sipag-sipag ni transformer. Wow, it's sunny day. I'm so happy guys. Sunny day now. Did you see guys all the big black pipe that's ready to go for installment for the drainage system? Ang lalaki guys ng ng malaking pipe. Ayan o. This is Station 2 Main Road. The front of Blacktown. That's Blacktown there. And McDonald's. Naglilimas pa siya guys. I think matatapos pa siya maglimas next year. What do you think guys? Their transformer, I think he's going to finish next year to make the Hawkeye dry. Dapat na lang naglagay na lang sila ng pump, yung pump, 'di ba? Ayan, natatapon naman. It's really bad idea. Filipino style baby. 'Di ba? Imbis na mapabilis yung trabaho, dapat they are going to use yung pump, yung sinisip-sip yung tubig, 'di ba? Tama ako, 'di ba? Limas pa more and more and more. Baka guys ma-shoot ako dito sa Hawkeye kasi nakatayo lang ako sa baka bumigay yung tinatayuan ko. Ayan yung Lake Town. Lake Town, Lake Chad, around Lake Town. Aabutin niya ng Siyam-Siyam. Siyam-Siyam. Yung McDonald's guys, ano, bukas pa sila. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my video for today. I will see you in my next video for tomorrow. God bless you all, to all my subscribers and foreign viewers and Filipino viewers. Salamat to support my channel. I will see you here in Boracay guys. I'm so excited. I miss the tourist. Na-miss ko na yung tourist. Kayo na guys ang humusga ha sa paglilimas ng tubig. Hindi yan sa mabilisan. Dapat ang ginamit nila yung pump. Diba guys? Dora. You can call me Dora. Dora the Explorer. Ay. 1 year yan matatapos. Kakalimas. One year in the 1 year. Nakatayo lang yung in charge, yung mga bossing. Ayan na sila. Yung mga boss of the boss ng project.